Hello, welcome back to another episode of Heat Hacks. Today we are going to look at cleaning the flow meters as they get gunky and covered in muck. So that's just showing how to clean our two models of flow meters. So these are our two series of flow meters. We have the 411, which is the older series, and the 413, which is our newer series, which you might see both. They both unthread from the manifold in the same way. So to remove the sight glass to clean it, you remove the red cap, and this one is a normal thread, which you unscrew the sight glass. You can then get inside to clean with a cloth or a pipe cleaner. Be careful with the spring, as it is a calibrated spring, and then screw it back into place. And then this one, the 413, again, remove the red locking cap, and then this one is a reverse thread, which you remove from the valve, take the spring out. You can then get inside the sight glass to clean. And then back again, it's a reverse thread. So back again. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Heat Hacks. Do check out our YouTube channel for more of these handy tips, and then check out our support details below.